में, तो यहाँ पे भी खूबसूरती में कोई कमी नहीं है। हालांकि बहुत सारी कश्मीर में ऐसी जगह हैं उनसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे खूबसूरती भी है। और उसके बाद यहाँ के दूसरी बात यह है कि कुदरती मनाजिर हैं और जो यहाँ का माहौल है वो बिल्कुल सुथरा है और क्लीन माहौल है यहाँ का। तो लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बदकिस्मती की बात यह है कि गवर्नमेंट की नज़र जो है वो अभी यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँची है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि रोड्स के अलॉन्ग साइड में आप देख सकते हैं कोई भी जो टूरिस्ट हट्स हैं वो नहीं तैयार किए गए हैं। उसके बाद जो दूसरी बड़ी यहाँ पे कमी दिखाई दे रही है वो यहाँ पे बाथरूम्स वगैरह की कोई फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है। यहाँ पे कितने सारे लोग जो है वो कश्मीर से भी, राजौरी से, जम्मू से और बैरून रियासत से भी लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं, लेकिन ये फैसिलिटीज़ ना होने की वजह से उनको काफ़ी मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ता है।
Sir, as far as its development of this spot is concerned, first initiative which is a must that it's raining here so many times. You know, it's showering often, and there is no, what we can say, huts. There is no hut, so no resort, and the visitors which are coming here, they are they are totally in a depressed mood in order to enjoy here. So government have to take some initiative so as to improve the condition of this place, and they have to make some resorts, some huts, and some toilets.
First of all, we come here. This is big gully, and this is very beautiful place, and there is a lot ground, and there is green land, and there is pollution less and atmospheric less, and this is along the roadside, and this is very beautiful place compared to other place that there is no facility of the water, and there is no facility of the shelter for the huts, and there is no tourist spots, and other compared to that is very parasite on the earth.
As just we know, our JNK is like a paradise on earth, but all the except tourist spots in JNK, this is also a very beautiful place. This is pollutionless, this is green, and this is also along the roadside. But our tourist department and the government of our India is not paying any attention toward this, because this is a very beautiful place. There are green pastures and just field-like feelings. But the tourist department of JNK and the government of India is not paying any attention, because there are some facilities that are unavailable, just as washrooms and tourist huts and passenger sheds and so many much more. So I want to appeal the government of JNK and India, just pay attention toward this tourist spot, accept the other tourist spots in the JNK, that's Gulmarg, Sonamarg and many more. This place is much more better than from that spots.